Hi everybody, so welcome to my tell-all, my 101 on my maintenance routine, what I do monthly to just maintain my physical appearance. Let's officially get this video started. I used to get teased for my body hair growing up all the time. I am a hairy girl. On my back, on my face, on my arms, on my legs. Like, I used to get made fun of for how hairy I was growing up. I would secretly shave as a child because I was just so scared and so insecure. I literally would wear long sleeves all the time growing up because I just didn't want people to see my hairy arms and make fun of me for it, you know? No matter how much I shave, my hair always grows back so fast, and it also does grow thicker, unfortunately for me. Over time with shaving, I have gotten razor burns, cuts, and I now have strawberry legs. And obviously if I were to ever get laser treatments and stuff like that, it's expensive and it racks up and you have to go a couple times before you ever really see a difference. But I have found a better solution to my problem, especially just being a hairy girl and just wanting to minimize my hair growth as much as possible. I got this buddy right here. This buddy right here is a Ulike Air10. It is safe, effective, and has completely changed the way that I deal with unwanted hair. The Ulike Air10 uses IPL, which uses light to target melanin in the hair to disrupt the hair growth and regrowth of hair without damaging your skin. I'm going to be shaving both of my arms, and then I am only going to be using the Ulike 10 Air on my left side of my arm and just letting my hair regrow back on the right. See if there's actually a difference in my hair growth. I'm actually going to hop in the shower and shave the rest of my body, but we are just going to shave all of my hair off. We are going to start using the Ulike 10 Air, and before we do that, you have to shave and you can't put any lotion and anything on yet. In your kit, it will come with some foldable glasses like this, and I'm gonna put them over my glasses because I won't be able to see without my glasses on. Oh my god, oh my god, wait, that didn't hurt. Wait, I'm so confused. Yeah, I think this is gonna change how I do hair removal, guys. This is crazy. I personally like the auto glide mode so I can quickly do my whole body, but because of the skin safe detection, it can also detect if certain areas of my skin isn't suitable for treatment. Once I put this on my skin, I was a little scared and a little intimidated using the auto glide mode, but honestly that is my favorite mode. This actually has ice cooling technology, so when you directly put it on your arm, it's cold. It's cold even when I put it on my arm and it's not even on or connected or anything. I read all the directions on how to use this properly, and the best thing to do is to not go up and down like this, but to actually flip it like this and go up and down like this instead. The one thing I do have to avoid on my arm when using this is my tattoos, because I have tattoos all over my arms. You'll probably pay upfront a lot more for this, but throughout time when you're going to laser appointments and buying razors all the time to continuously shave, all of that adds up at the end of the day. So at that point, you might as well invest in a Ulike Air10 so that you can, one, do it at home, get laser results, save a lot more money, and you can do your entire body literally under 10 minutes. If you guys are interested in trying the Ulike 10, I will leave it down below for you guys. I will keep you guys posted on my results. I am really excited to see the results and see if there really is a difference. So I really wanted to show you guys my results from the Ulike Air10 because I definitely noticed a difference between my left and my right arm. On my left arm, there's a lot more sparse areas now on my arm. And not only that, but I do think that some of these hairs are not as thick as my right arm. And I also found that this arm stayed a lot smoother
while, you know, my hair was growing than my right arm. On the other hand, on my right arm, the hairs are a lot thicker, and not only that, they're a lot longer for some reason. And yeah, this is my normal growth on my right arm, but my left arm is definitely a lot sparser than I would have thought. I have kept up with the routine of doing the treatment 2 to 3 times a week so that we could just really get a feel of how this product works. I did both of my legs, and I will say that both of them are a lot sparser than they were before. I'm so excited to continue my journey with the Ulike Air10 and see how this truly does work out for me, because I am noticing a difference since I've had it for the last almost 2 weeks now. If you guys are interested in the Ulike Air10, I will leave a link in the description box for you guys if that's something that you guys want to check out. If you see a girl hairless, you know what? But typically on a daily basis now, I use my Dyson and I blow out my hair like every single day because it's just so easy and makes me feel put together every single day. Before we start anything, I might be talking a little weird because I'm actually gonna put in these whitening strips. These are the Guru Nanda whitening strips. These just don't hurt my gums. They actually whiten my teeth and they don't make my teeth sensitive. Other whitening strips like burn my gums and make my teeth sensitive, and to be honest, I don't even think they really work that well. I look crazy. I typically leave them in for at least 30 minutes. Okay, the second thing that I like to do before I even touch my makeup is to tweeze my eyebrows. Typically, I don't pluck my eyebrows like all the time, and for some reason within the last year, I have been growing like eyebrow hair like crazy and like armpit hair. Ugh. I don't like the residue that it leaves on your teeth. So I typically brush my teeth after. I like to do in the beginning of the month is to cut my cat's nails. If you guys can see him in here. Hi Nova. Hi little fatty. He'll usually let me cut his nails, so I'm not too worried. My kitties are always very sweet, very nice, but their nails just get so long where like they actually start like puncturing me. Good job, Novito. You're so good. You know, I buy beds for my cats. They are fed. They live rent free here. And this guy just likes this box with like all like these little fuzzy things I get from like VR. Onto this guy. Aww. I don't even want to bother him because he's sleeping, but he's the one that's really good about cutting his nails and stuff. Good job. I'm gonna have to vacuum the couch after. It's okay, my love. It's okay, my little Toquito. If you didn't know, I do my nails by myself, and I have been for the last year and a half or maybe 2 years now. I am starting to get so busy that I do want to just go get my nails done by a tech again, just because it is very time consuming for me to do my nails. But I do my nails once a month. I am only 2 weeks in on this set right now, so I don't want to necessarily change it yet, but typically I would be doing my nails right now. I did do it just before I went on my trip so that I could have like nice, beautiful done nails. I am just actually putting cuticle oil on my nails right now just to support its growth and to keep my nails healthy. We are going to be doing my toes, and I'm not going to show you guys my toes because I feel like that's kind of weird if I show you guys my toes. We're going to buff off the shininess of my nail. We're going to dehydrate my nail, base coat, color, top coat. That's it. That is all we're doing. I'm not doing no Frenchie, no nothing. I just like my nails like typically very neutral and natural looking. It is currently 6:43 and it took me an hour to paint my toes, but we are officially done. They're always shiny and sparkly right now.
want to show you guys my toes, but they're all shiny and sparkly, and now I can wear heels without like thinking my toes are ugly. Okay. So one of my favorite tips, if you have skin that is struggling with really deep pimples on your cheeks, acne scars, and just like a lot of clogged pores, I use this Paula's Choice 2 to 3 times a week. And this is the Paula's Choice Exfoliating Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I tell you, this is gonna be your best friend when you use her at night and you go to sleep. I just applied this with a cotton pad, and what I do is I literally take a cotton pad on my cheeks like this, and then on my chin and around my nose, and just in the center of my forehead and between my brows. And I find that these are like my secret weapon at the moment to calm down my skin. So this is the Fashion Trouble Serum, and this has centella and janica in it. But I find that this one works a little better than the Centella Ample by Skin Angel or Skin 1004. Although I like this one, I just think this one works a little better, but I still think they give pretty similar results. So what I do is I take a couple of drops of this and I put it on my skin after I use the exfoliant. I actually use this one every single night, and I use the exfoliant 2 times a week, maybe 3. This has just helped me with inflamed skin and skin that's just like breaking out. It has reduced me from breaking out. Every single time that I put this on my face before I go to sleep and I wake up the next morning, most of the redness in my skin has just calmed down immensely. I have been trying the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and this is the only thing that my skin has been liking lately. And so I have just been using her every day, every night. She is my best friend right now. Also, if you're a person who wears glasses and makeup at the same time, you need to make sure that you wipe your glasses every single night. I got this from Amazon, and I wipe and clean my glasses every morning and every single night just to avoid getting breakouts like on my cheeks and around my nose. This is one of my favorite masks of all time. I talk about this mask like probably at least once a year. This is the Muddy Body mask, and it has helped heal so much of my acne and breakouts since like I was like in high school. It's like the one thing that still helps my skin calm down. We're gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes and we're gonna come back and wash it all off. I look like Shrek and Kung Fu Panda combined right now. So welcome to my bedroom. It is very hot in here right now, but I'm gonna show you guys the lotion that I use, which is Jergens. I feel like Jergens is always just going to actually heal my like cracked and dry skin. I love the EOS Vanilla Cashmere because it smells so good, but as in moisturizing, my skin just needs a little more. So I highly recommend the Jergens. This is what's been making me look extra beautiful, great, smooth, no cracked skin, heals my cracked skin. If you or anybody in your family has dry, crusty feet, like I'm talking dry, crusty feet, like you can see like white lines on your toes and stuff, because I don't know what it is, but I think it's the hardwood floors in my apartment that has made my feet so dry. Like I'm like, girl, what the hell? This is my feet regimen, okay? Because I don't like having crusty feet, okay? So you're going to take your bottle of Jergens and you are going to lather your ankle, your leg, your foot with lotion. Then you're gonna take some Aquaphor, and any parts where it's like super rough or super like hard, I'm just going to apply some Aquaphor on. I take a fuzzy sock, okay, and I open it up and stick my foot in there. Go to sleep and you'll wake up with beautiful soft feet, okay? It's like the dry and crustiness never existed. Matter of fact, I just grabbed all the hair stuff that I use because you guys ask me this all the time. This is my hair freshly washed. I let it dry about like 80%, just like air drying, and then I just blow dry it. And considering that more than half of it is like bleached, this is pretty healthy for me. For the shampoo, this has to be one of my favorites. This is the & Honey Melty Moist Repair Shampoo, the pink one. And I think that this shampoo smells better than the original honey. It smells like lychee and like florals, and honestly,
Not usually my favorite scent, but the way that they made this smells absolutely delicious. And then I think my favorite thing from their line is actually the Honey Deep Moisture Treatment, and you have to get the original conditioner, so the pink one and then the original conditioner. I think that the original conditioner smells a lot better than the pink one. I find that the scent in these actually stays in my hair. As for like taking care of my hair, I have noticed a difference. I feel like my hair is a lot healthier, like I said. It's definitely not as dry as before because I was using some like cheap, you know, hair stuff before, and I think that investing in this is so much better. Today I actually used the Subaki repair mask, and obviously my hair is like extra shiny, extra soft because of this. Would I say this is my favorite one? No, I actually like the Pheno one better, the one with the red cap and it's silver. But this one works pretty well too. I've tried both of them. I just prefer the Pheno over this one, but I wouldn't say that this one is bad. It's actually pretty good considering how my hair feels right now. Hi, Tokito. You guys want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? Hello to the viewers. Hello to the viewers.